Here are 5 completely free chess analysis websites to help you analyze your games. Let's begin with the 5th one, Ingram Brown Pigeon Viewer. Click on the first site and scroll down. Make sure you already have the pigeon file of the chess game you want to analyze. I already have the pigeon, so I will simply paste it and click upload. You will now see the analysis interface. There are many tools available like share, save, toggle variation, promote and more. At the bottom left you will find option to view the previous one, next move, etc. But let's not waste time. We are here to analyze our game. Click on start analysis engine. Give it a moment to load and you will see the engine activate. You can now view variation. The engine will also tell you which side is better in the current position and why. Keep in mind this variation keeps changing with each move, just like the evaluation bar. You can also adjust the number of variations displayed. Clicking the plus button increases them while the minus button decreases them. And this one gives you a hint about the best move. So paste your pigeon file and analyze your game. Now let's move on to the 4th website, Lichess. To analyze your games on Lichess, go to the tools section and select import game. First, sign up on Lichess if you have not already, as it is required to access analysis features. Once signed in, you can either upload your pigeon file or paste it, just like on the previous site. Click request computer analysis. Scroll down and you will see Stockfish 17.1 analyzing your game. Once it's done, you will get a report with mistakes, blunders, inaccuracies and more. The best feature on Lichess is learn from your mistakes. Click on it and the engine will show you where you went wrong and suggest the best move instead. Click next to go through all your mistakes. Now let's move to our 3rd website, Decode Chess. Click start decoding. You will see 4 options to import your game. The engine will start analyzing. The first line tells you whether a move was a mistake, blunder or the best move. The second line explains why. Click dig deeper for detailed explanation. To view the result of your game, click on statistics. In my opinion, this is the best website in terms of explanation. However, it's ranked 3rd because the free version limits to the number of games you can analyze. To access more features, a subscription is required. Still, you can use this website daily for high quality explanation. But don't worry, 2 more websites are left and they are completely free. Let's go to the second one, ChessDream. Click on Analyze Pigeon. This website also offers 4 methods to import your game. You can either paste the pigeon, upload the pigeon file or click on Advanced Import. Here, select the platform and enter your username. You can also filter games by date range. After importing, you can select the levels of analysis. If you choose Novice, you will get basic analysis. If you choose Grandmaster, you will get deeper insights. Wait a few seconds. Once complete, click review to see detailed results and you will notice it's quite similar to chess.com. If this video is helping you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's move to the top ranked website, Winter Chess. Again, you have 4 import methods. Choose whichever you prefer. The reason this site is ranked first is because it uses the latest version of Stockfish for analysis. Import your game, go to settings, select the 68 MB Stockfish 17 and click analyze. Once done, you will see the result. Click to review each move. If you want to learn how to download Stockfish 17.1 in your Android, then click on this video. Bye.